as you work on your infographic, you'll be making decisions about how to organize the information that you plan to share through your infographic. And that may involve sketching things out or playing with the layout and where things might be before you add them. That means looking at the size of things and where you want to add text and where you want to have images and how you want to space things out. So it helps to make those decisions earlier in your work rather than later, because it'll be easier to put those things in where you want them to go. So for my infographic here, I'm thinking of having a title go across the top there. I have my pictogram here about showing that 90% of a trawl catch would be bycatch, would be dead and dying other animals that are going to be tossed back into the ocean. I think that I'd like to include the text of that statistic somewhere here, so I might need some more room above it. So I think I'll slide that down. In this space down over here, I intend to include information on the types of animals that might be caught up in bycatch. So your seabirds, sea turtles, and coral would be included there. So I'm going to have room for that. I'd like to make some room above my fish and dead fish so I can put in the text, a 90% graphic that goes along with that. So I'm going to put in a placeholder here where I want that 90% to go, and I think I'd like to use this space here for my 38.5 million ton statistic, 5 million tons of dead and dying fish tossed back into the ocean. I'm planning out where I want my information to go and moving things around so I have a good sense for how things are going to fit and how the overall look of the infographic will be.